Hello, I am going to be showing you how to add 3 basic media sources. So, I have a Smartboard lesson that has already been created, and I want to add some media sources to enhance the learning of my students. So, I'm going to be working on a States of Matter PowerPoint, and I'm going to show you how to add those 3 basic media sources, which are videos, images, and links. So let's get started. So on the first slide on my page, I have States of Matter. It's blank, just says States of Matter, but I want to add an image to it. So I'm going to go to the far right where there's a puzzle piece, and I'm going to add a picture, and I'm going to type in States of Matter. And I'm going to look for an image. And when I find my image, I think I like this one, I'm going to drag it. And once I get it there, I can size it and move it where I want it to be. Then I can right click it and lock it into place so that it does not move if you accidentally touch the image. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to create a video or to add a video. So here we are given the definition of what matter is as it's introducing what matter is in the States of Matter. So I'm going to add a video so that it can properly explain and it will grab the attention of my learners and it will probably stick to them so they will be able to recall it and they'll be able to relate to it a little bit more. So I'm going to go back to the puzzle piece. I am going to click the little 4 squares. Then I'm going to go to video search. I'm going to go here. Here, you can just search videos here. If you already had a video that you found in while you were searching, you can just add the URL to the video, but we're going to search. And I'm going to type in what is Matter for Kids. Now, with this one, you can listen to the video and play it if you want to hear it and watch it before you add it. So for this one, I'm just going to click and then I'm going to click add video. And then the video will come up. I'm going to try to be careful with this so that I don't play it because it messes with the volume. And then I'm going to size it. Then I'm going to drag it where I would like it to be. Then you can right click it and lock it into place so that it does not move. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to go back. The next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is how to add a link. So after we've learned about all the different types of matters, solids, liquids, gases, we're going to break it down so that we learn about each topic. So I'm going to show you how to add a link. So here you're going to go to the bar and you're going to add insert and you're going to go to link. Now here I already have a video that I found, so I'm going to go and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to my Smartboard and then I'm going to paste it. Right now I have it on the corner icon. Now for some reason, sometimes the video will actually come up and it won't just be the link. So we're going to press OK. And as you can see, that one is loading up as the actual video. It doesn't do it with the corner, and you can size that like we did before. And then we can right click it and we can lock it in place. So the other way that we talked about and we learned about in module 3 is how to add a link and you have an object that you click. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go back to the puzzle piece. I'm going to search in the objects. I'm going to search, because with solid, let's do can. So here, let's do Coca-Cola can, because that's something that children will be able to relate to. And we're going to size that up. Then we're going to make sure that it's highlighted. Then we're going to go back to insert, click link. And then we're going to clear this out because it changed that. Go back to the link that we had, copy that again, go back to Smartboard, and we're going to copy, paste it. Now here you see where it had the corner icon and then it had the object. We're going to click object, then we're going to press OK. So now when you go to click that object, I'm just gonna hover around it. You will see that the little finger presses. So when you click this can, it is going to take you to the video. And that is how you add the media sources, images, links, and videos to your Smartboard lessons to help enhance students' learning.